Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of bedbugs, those tiny yet formidable creatures that have been causing havoc for centuries. Bedbugs are pesky insects that feed on blood, leaving behind itchy and irritating bites. But how do you know if you've been bitten by bedbugs? Let's find out. Bedbug bites may not be immediately noticeable because these tiny pests secrete an anesthetic before feeding, so you won't feel the bite itself. However, within a few days, you may develop symptoms. According to pest control technology, approximately 30 to 60% of people never develop a reaction to a bedbug bite. But for those who do, the bites can appear as red and swollen welts, often with a dark spot at the center. They may resemble hives or clusters, and they're usually accompanied by itching, burning, and sometimes fluid-filled blisters. These bites can occur anywhere on the body, but they're often found on areas that are exposed while you sleep, such as the face, neck, arms, and hands. But getting rid of these blood-sucking insects can be a problem. Bedbugs are survivors. They've been around since the time of the dinosaurs, and despite our best efforts, they're still thriving today. But why are they so hard to kill? In recent years, bedbugs have been making headlines around the world. From schools to hospitals, these pests have been wreaking havoc, especially in bustling cities like Paris. But why are they spreading so rapidly, and why are they becoming increasingly resistant to insecticides? Let's break it down. Bedbugs are hardy survivors. They can adapt to environmental changes that would kill other insects. They're small, flat, and incredibly elusive, making them difficult to detect until it's too late. Plus, their exoskeleton has evolved to be stronger, making them more resistant to pesticides. And let's not forget their incredible breeding capabilities. A single female bedbug can lay hundreds of eggs in her lifetime, leading to rapid population growth. But perhaps the most unsettling fact about bedbugs is their ability to survive without food for long periods. They can go over a year without feeding, making them incredibly resilient. And it's not just Paris. Bedbugs are spreading worldwide thanks to global travel and increased resistance to insecticides. But all hope is not lost. There are strategies we can use to fight back against these pesky pests. Heat treatment is one effective method. By raising the temperature of a room or building, we can kill bedbugs and their eggs without using harmful chemicals. Another promising approach is the use of biopesticides, which are derived from natural sources and are less likely to cause resistance in bedbugs. But prevention is key. Simple measures like regularly inspecting your mattress and avoiding secondhand furniture can help keep bedbugs at bay. So while bedbugs may be formidable opponents, we're not powerless against them. With the right strategies and a bit of perseverance, we can win the battle against these resilient pests.